If you've been around everyday carry for any length of time, you will have noticed something. At some point, pens stopped being boring. They became tools, they became objects of interest, and for a lot of us, they became fidget items as much as writing instruments. Today's quick hit is all about one of those, the Tacray Spinium titanium action bolt pen, and more broadly, why bolt action pens have become such a staple in modern EDC. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Jim Bob and welcome to Jim Bob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you are into EDC knives, multi-tools, flashlights, kits and pouches, or just like seeing what people actually carry, you are in the right place. Because what you carry, carries you. So let's start with the obvious question. Why bolt action pens? Well, because they solve a few problems all at once. First, reliability. No cheap click mechanisms. No springs that give up after 6 months. A bolt is simple, mechanical, and positive. Second, intentionality. You don't accidentally deploy a bolt action pen in your pocket. When you slide that bolt, you mean to write. And third, let's be honest, tactile satisfaction. Bolt action pens scratch the same itch as a good knife detent, a smooth multi-tool action, or a well-made flashlight switch. They're functional, but they're also fun. This is the Tacray Spinium. It's a titanium bolt action pen designed very much with the EDC crowd in mind. You have got a clean, machined grade 5 titanium body, a smooth dual action bolt deployment mechanism giving satisfying bolt deployment with right and left hand friendly operation and strong retention, and a design that feels solid without being overbuilt or tactical for the sake of it. This is a pen that fits just as comfortably in a pocket organizer or admin pouch as it does on a desk. Let's talk about build quality. Titanium is one of those materials that just makes sense for EDC. It's strong, corrosion resistant, lightweight, and it ages well. In hand, the Spinium feels balanced, not too front heavy, not hollow. The machining is clean and the bolt action is smooth and deliberate. There's no rattle here, no cheap edges, no feeling that this is going to loosen itself apart after a few weeks in your pocket. It feels like a pen that is meant to be used and not babied. One thing I always look for in an EDC pen is refill flexibility. The Spinium ships with a Schmidt refill, which is a great starting point. Smooth, consistent and reliable. But importantly, this pen also plays nicely with Parker-style refills. That matters because it means you can tailor the ink to how you actually write and your own preferences. You're not locked into proprietary refills. This pen can stay in your carry for years, not months. For me, that's the difference between an EDC pen and a novelty item. This is the sort of pen that makes sense in a modern carry. It works in a notebook setup, in an admin pouch, in a jacket pocket, or just clipped inside a bag. And it sits nicely alongside other EDC tools. Knives, notebooks, multi-tools without screaming for attention. It's quietly competent, and I like that. Finally, a quick note on transparency. Tacray were generous enough to send this pen into the channel, and I genuinely appreciate that. But as always, thoughts here are my own. If something doesn't work for me, I will say so. But in this case, this is a well-made, thoughtfully designed bolt action pen that actually earns its place in an everyday carry. If you're into bolt action pens or you're looking to upgrade from a disposable clicker to something with a bit more soul, this is well worth a look. Links will be down below. And if you enjoyed this video, a like would really help, and a subscribe would be absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. And remember, what you carry, carries you.